everybody. We are here at Soggy Lake in Johnson Valley, and the very fun crew at Optima Batteries decided to bring a diverse fleet of vehicles out for just a fun little drag race. And we're gonna see who can throw down and get the win.
This is an all-wheel drive Pro ID4 Volkswagen.
Polaris Pro R. That's
Trophy
a
truck?
trophy truck spec.
Raptor R, Ford F-150 Lightning. You brought a Unimog.
It's a Rivian R1S.
Let's get them all going, rock and roll. Looks like the UTV and the Rivian got the line right around the same time. I think I need to pair these guys up, set up some grudge matches. Hey, you want to go heads up?
I want to go heads up. I want to see
I feel like you got some negotiating power. All right, heads up it is.
Let's heads up
Okay.
first. Let's see what we can do.
Well, this will be your one and done. You win or lose, it's it.
The side-by-side by a bumper. That was damn close.
You are the official winner of the inaugural Optima Batteries battle at the Soggy Lake. We're gonna show what the people want. The Raptor R versus the Rivian. What do we got?
Honestly, this might need a group review.
Just move it frame by frame. All right, go back. So we're here with the winner, Chip Verde, an amazing father, clearly an amazing driver, and he brought the Raptor R to victory lane.